I tore my passport because I was confident that Jehovah God will help me. Man storms the airport to travel to the US without an international passport.
Going to Canada now.
You understand? You understand?
What? I don't understand.
Where your face mask properly, you understand?
You, where is your own face mask?
I don't have your face mask.
You are talking to me. I still have face mask. You are talking to me. You have face mask.
I'm a Jehovah Witness.
Hello. That's your way. That's your way. That's your way in. This is an exit gate.
Yes. So where your face mask properly?
Talk. I'm listening to you. You say you are a Jehovah Witness.
Yes.
So you want to travel?
Yes.
Okay. So where is your passport?
I don't have a passport with me.
Where is
I
it?
tore my passport.
You tore it?
Yes.
Why did you tear it?
Yes, because I was confident.
Because you were what?
Okay, what? Yes, I was confident that Jehovah God will help me. Because I was supposed to visit some of my brothers.
You are confident of what?
I was supposed to visit some of my brothers.
You say you were confident.